Hey everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd. Today we're going to walk through how to install TinyCP on an Ubuntu server. TinyCP is a lightweight yet powerful control panel that simplifies server management. Whether you're managing web servers, databases, or FTP, TinyCP offers an easy-to-use interface for all your server needs. And the best part, it is completely free. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure we're working with a fresh Ubuntu server with at least 1 GB of RAM. If you don't already have a server, head over to racknerd.com and grab one of our reliable VPS hosting plans. Ready? Let's get started. All right, now we're logged into our server via SSH. The first thing that we should do is update our server to make sure that everything is up to date. We'll go ahead and run this command. This might take a little while depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. This ensures that we're running the latest software versions and security patches on our server. Next, let's set up the TinyCP repository and add the necessary GPG key. Since TinyCP isn't in the default Ubuntu repositories, we will need to add it manually. Run these commands one by one. Now we need to update our package list to include the TinyCP repository. Once that's done, we are ready to install TinyCP. It is as simple as running this command. The installation will start and it may take a few minutes. During the installation, TinyCP will ask us to set a password for the admin user and just simply follow the on-screen instructions to do just that. It's not as complex as you may think actually. So once the installation is complete, we'll see the details for accessing TinyCP, including the username, which is admin by default, and the link to the control panel with its port number. So now let's go ahead and open up a web browser and head to the following address, replacing your server IP with your server's actual IP address. We'll log in with the username admin and the password we set earlier. Now that we're logged in, we're all set to start managing services like web servers, databases, and more, all from TinyCP's easy-to-use dashboard. We can even add new domains, set up SSL certificates, and manage everything with just a few clicks. But we will talk more about these in the next video, so keep posted. And there you have it. That is how we install TinyCP on an Ubuntu server. With its simple interface and powerful features, TinyCP is perfect for developers, sysadmins, or really anyone out there who wants to streamline server management. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will try my best to help you out as soon as I can. And remember, for more tips and hosting tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, RackNerd TV, and visit racknerd.com for the best hosting solutions. Thank you for watching. Talk soon.